I want to give you the world's quickest tip that's going to put you in the top 5% of presenters who are bringing energy online. Stand up. That's it. It's that simple. Stand up. When you're standing, you have so much more access to confidence, energy, creativity, and presence. If you are presenting at a conference or a kickoff in real life, you would never sit down. It would not even be a possibility. You would stand. However, when we are at home, for some reason, we're sitting. And our energy levels are much, much lower. And I've been to a lot of kickoffs and conferences, and I'm even seeing a lot of leaders sitting down. How can we expect to energize our people and engage our people if we're not bringing a lot of energy ourselves? So how do we do this? Maybe you don't have a stand-up desk at home. I bought one at IKEA. It's doable. You can also have a very creative solution. I've seen everything from ironing boards to chairs on desks to laundry baskets and board games and boards upon boards and books, clear out a shelf. Hell, I want to see your creative solutions, all right? So please send a pic and put it in the comments. I'll put some in that I've gotten from people and show us how you stand up in your meetings.